Ladle.
A shell-ladle.
It's a shell ladle.
Do the Mangrovians use shell-ladles?
Mangrovians.
Main weapon is
The Mangrovians.
The Mangrovians use shell-ladles.
Is there anything coming?
Oh yeah. Lord have mercy. Well, it's been nice knowing y'all.
Y'all pray for us.
We need it. Getting a little dark out here. Welcome back to Home on the Hitch, guys. We are going to head to dinner at the Florida Boy, so come along with us. We're going to be driving a golf cart down there. We were just talking about the site and everything. We're going to be moving sites a little farther over that way because when king tide comes somewhere around, I guess, September, October, in that range, this area tends to flood with about a foot of water for 3 or 4 hours a day, and we don't want that. So yeah, we're gonna have to move. Probably won't do that till May though. We'll see. Stick around. So we will have to move. I'm not super excited about having to move. I like our spot. We have a really good spot, but we don't want to be flooded. But we got time for that. So.
But it's just a short period of time that it happens, so it's not that big a deal, but for us,
Yeah.
it would be more than once.
So we'll probably be moving over here next to our friends right here. We'll probably be moving to this spot right here. I believe. We'll see.
Which puts us in close proximity to the dog park.
Dog park, more news on that to come. Maybe. In the future. It's dark out here. Let's head to the Florida Boy.
The sun has set, sir.
Yeah. Sundown. Oh, people playing pickleball.
That is a very popular sport. I do not know how to play pickleball. Do you play pickleball?
I don't play pickleball.
No. Does any of you guys play pickleball?
Lizard.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
Melissa keeps wanting to send like letters on the leaves.
So I've spotted 2 very prime locations here of potential postcards.
I don't even know what kind of leaves those are.
They're sea grape leaves.
All right, sea grape leaves. So apparently you can pick them while they're green, write on them, and mail them. But you have to send them while they're green. And we have picked a bushel of these things and yet to send one.
And you also have to make sure that you have the appropriate stamp and that they're handled correctly because they're not machinable mail.
Have to be hand delivered, hand processed.
This is what we like to call the local Keys Highway.
Yeah.
The golf cart path.
Pretty much.
This is how the locals travel.
I drive down.
I.e. us.
I.e. us, yes, for now. I drive down here every morning to the store. I enjoy my morning drive. In the sunshine, and it's great. So we finally ended up with a day off together, so we took the bikes, down the road about 6 miles, 5 or 6 miles down to Long Key State Park. I don't think there's a whole lot here, but there's supposed to be a pretty nice shoreline down here. And from the road and on Google Maps, you can see some camping spots. It looks like, I don't think it's open, and I don't think people are allowed to camp there, but I swear it looks like there's power pedestals down there. But we're gonna go down there and see if we can check that out. So hang out with us. Yeah, they got some nice little spots to hang out. It's pretty. Look at the water today.
Oh, that's picturesque.
It is very picturesque. All right, baby, come on. Yeah, see, down past where it says don't be going, I think that is the campground. Right here is where we are, but if you look down here, all of these are campsites. But alas, we cannot get there. Yes, I'm out in jeans because my legs are burnt to a crisp. To a definite crisp. So I can't have any more sun on them right now. Yeah, crashed out by the pool the other day with no sunscreen on and they are cooked. Well, that will be unfortunate. I don't know which way that's going, but start time 2:33. It's going to storm from 2:33 to 3:23.
What time is it now?
1:46.
Wait, so we have time to get home.
Yeah, we have time to get home.
Okay, well, you want to do the other side and then
Let's
go
just go look and see and yep, perfect. Maybe we'll make it. Maybe we'll get wet. We might be riding in the rain. This is the hiking side. I believe there's boardwalks and things like that, but unlike like Gulf State Park and everything that we were in Alabama, I don't think you're gonna ride bicycles on these. So it's kind of ambitious of them to have this much parking. Trail. Good way to get bit by an alligator.
Hey, where's the adventure?
Yeah. Came out the butt of the alligator. We're in Key West. Mel's leaving me again and dumping me. But
Well, I'm leaving you. Yeah,
Yeah.
leaving you in the Keys this time.
that's right. Oh, I hate the roosters. Mel's flying home for a week to take care of some business, but we're down here. We got about an hour to kill before I need to drop her off at the airport. So we're gonna go into some garden. I don't know what this place is.
It is a hidden botanical garden.
Oh, hidden. How beautiful the water is today.
So it is one of the free things that you can do around here in the Keys.
Yeah.
So we parked for free
Yep.
and we're going to the garden for free.
It is the Key West Memorial Garden at Fort something. I don't know. We'll get the name of it up here, but yes, sir. Go for it.
Oh, I hear more babies.
There's lots of baby old chickens. That one's about to get Kentucky Fried run over.
Look at them on running under the car.
Oh no!
Sir, you need to go tend to the kids.
Yeah, they're in the street.
This way?
Yeah, I guess so. The Garden Club,
Here we
West Martello Garden Club. I don't know what kind of building this was.
I don't
It's like
know,
an
but we
old
can
pirate
ask.
fort of some. It was an old pirate fort. That's what I'm looking. That's what I'm gonna say it was.
How did you hear about us or find us?
Oh, I'm online. I'm on Google Maps.
Perfect. You are standing inside an old Civil War fort.
There's your
See,
question.
what was it? What was it?
There you go. Old Civil War fort.
Ah, see, I was asking.
Take that with you. It's a little bit of history of the fort on one
Perfect.
side and a map on the garden on the other
Okay,
side.
excellent.
I
Thank
love
you.
it.
We're run by volunteers, so we always appreciate donation.
Thank you.
Thank
You
so
did?
much.
Uh-huh, thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
See, I was almost correct.
You
I
were.
said it was an old pirate fort,
You're
but makes sense because the architecture looks like. Well, what is that in Savannah, Fort Jack? What was that we went through? I don't know. I'll put the name up. And the dried tortugas is very much like this. Look at these orchids.
Look at this orchid.
Look here.
Oh my gosh.
So everything in Key West, if you've come down here before, you know that like things are really compact and they use every square inch of real estate. But there's so much history here to see and so many cool things to do. I don't know You could come here 100 times and still see something new every time.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
It is.
Look how big this desert rose is.
Oh, that's a big old desert rose. Oh, there's stuff in the middle too over there.
Look at those.
There's
This
little-
is so groovy. Look at this one.
That's a big, look at this one. Look at that one. Oh, that one's even bigger.
So it says the military tore down much of the structure in the late 1800s as they needed the rubble to support heavier
Armaments, Fort Taylor, and this Martello fell into disrepair.
and the locals likely used West Martello as a free brickyard.
Oh yeah, got some bricks.
That's crazy.
That's sure
That's
enough.
like the healthiest palm tree I've ever seen.
Well, it is in a botanical garden. So.
I mean, seriously though. Lizard.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
Are those coconuts?
Those are baby coconuts.
Huh, that's a lot.
Look, it's a gumbo limbo.
Ah,
So-
remember when we planted that?
You know, I have a question. Why don't we do the limbo anymore?
I don't know. Because we're old and nobody can bend over like that.
Well, I think we should probably do the limbo so we can stay limber.
But nobody's limber enough to limbo. Oh, man. It's windy, but it sure is beautiful.
Oh, the breeze feels good though.
It does. It feels very nice.
What a great way to spend an afternoon.
It is. Well, it's a good way to spend an hour or so before you go to the airport, for sure. But
For sure.
as something that's free to park, free to get in, a little bit of a donation. I think that's a giant aloe plant down there.
Thanks for bringing me here. This
Yeah.
was amazing.
What was this ram used for? Maybe a jail cell.
Or an artillery ram.
Maybe. Look out over the ocean. Cool place to come visit. A lot of history. Want to walk over here a little ways?
Yeah. I know that flowers and botanical gardens weren't always your thing,
Well, they're not always my thing, but I mean, it's
But
pretty. I can appreciate it.
but I think that we have been to
Flying
some.
chicken.
I think we've been to some really cool places, and you've got to experience some lovely botanicals.
Well, that does it, guys, for this week's video. Thanks for showing up. It's the middle of the night. I'm at work, and Mel is back home in Georgia, North Georgia, handling some business, but getting it done. So stick around next week. We got a lot more stuff coming up, a lot more stuff about the Keys. Is it worth it to be down here for an extended period of time, or is it better to visit on the short term? There's a lot of stuff coming up, so make sure you subscribe, stick around. So until next time, guys, take care of each other, love each other, make every moment count.